surprise for the little ones today. Welcome back to Todd Family Farm. We are up at the machine shed. It is currently March 6th, I believe, and we're going to be doing a little bit of miscellaneous stuff that we have to do today. So we do have to work on the 27. It leaks coolant, which is not good, but we have not been able to work on it sooner than this because we have to have it up and running because the 64 has been gone and it has been getting worked on. But the 64 is back now, so we can get the 27 fixed. So if you recall, the 64, it had problems, pretty big problems, and if you didn't see that video, I'll put it up right up there. But so it was down at John Deere for quite a while, and if you saw the video, they had this all taken apart, the wheels were off and everything, so make sure you go look at that video. Alright, so we're getting all of the parts laid out, and we've taken some of the hoses off, and we've drained the coolant. Had a little bit of some spilling, but not too bad. And so now we're getting ready to start replacing the hoses.
Ooh, like butter.
Alright, it is now Monday. The last footage that you saw was on Saturday, but let me just go ahead and explain what happened because I didn't explain it very well on Saturday. So, we took off all the old hoses on the 27, and there was also a little O-ring that needed to be replaced, but we didn't realize it. So we got that, and we replaced that, and we put on all the new hoses, so we were pretty sure that that is fixed. We haven't really ran it long enough to know for sure, but we did run a little bit, and it wasn't leaking, so we're pretty sure that that's fixed. It only got down to like 40 degrees last night, so everything is still soft this morning, which is nice because then it can just pick right up thawing where it left off yesterday, and it doesn't have to thaw the ice out or anything. So hopefully we'll get some good thawing done today. Alright, so Daddy picked up a little surprise for the little ones today, and so we've got Lemuels, and then the two girls is out here, so they have no idea, and I think they'll really like these. So they were getting a little bit big for their bikes, and these are some nice bikes for them, so they'll really like these. And I'm not going to be here when they get them because we're going to be feeding hay, but Mama is going to record on her phone, so that should be pretty good.
Those are all just flies, Caroline.
Why the bikes sound like these? Where'd those come from?
What?
Where'd those come from?
What? Where'd what come from?
The bikes!
The bikes?
Where'd they come from?
Where'd the bikes come from?
Where did they come from? Daddy got them up here. Daddy! LOL. How come there's a helmet here?
Daddy surprised you. That's not a helmet. It's just a little basket thing. What do you think?
Oh, wow!
Aren't those nice?
Yeah. Where did Daddy get these? I get a LOL.
At the bike getting store.
Hey, wait for me!
Alright, so it is currently like 11:30 and it is super nice out right now. So I just got a jacket on and it's really warm out. So, T-Bone, this is T-Bone's pen. We are more than likely going to be moving T-Bone over to the barn. So he's getting pretty hard to get him to go up at night. He's not like ornery, he's just a typical steer. And so we're just gonna move him over to the barn now that it is past winter time. Alright, so we got the livestock trailer over here now, and we are gonna be moving T-Bone over to the barn.
Come on now. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Give me that bag, Emma. Put it over his head.
All right.
Ready? Now go around, Emma. Go up on it. A little bit more. There he goes. Yeah. That's perfect. Where's the chicken?
Oh, right there.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, that was very good.
Alright, so we are back now. We took T-Bone over there. He's in good shape. He did pretty good. He was a little bit tricky to get loaded up the first time, but he did pretty good unloading. Alright, so the little ones are just gonna stay out here and ride their bikes for a while, so I'll be out here keeping an eye on them. Okay, you're the cat person, aren't you, Liza?
They don't quite remember me.
Okay, show us how it's done, Liza. Okay, it's shearing time.
Now, Daddy. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Rosie.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Buck.
Ready?
Isn't that hurting them?
No. Just like getting a haircut. What do you think, Lucy?
Turn it out.
Lucy.
Yeah, if you want to do something to help keep her,
Yes, sir.
she's going to pull that cord out. Come behind her. Yeah, there you go.
Get back. Come on. No. Get over there.
You're probably going to be
That's what we can do.
Alright, so here are the sheep after they've been sheared. They were pretty difficult to do because they had lamb wool, which is tighter and harder to shear anyways. And this is the first time they've been sheared, and they were very frisky and very hard to get to hold them down and get them sheared. So all things being considered, I think this is a pretty good shearing job. No, they're not perfect, but it's pretty good. They were pretty frisky. Good job. Alright, so we've been out here for a while. It is 3 o'clock now, and they've been riding their bikes a lot. But we're gonna head inside for now. Anyways, I thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and
Thanks for watching.